second. We're crossing the road. We're going to a metro station, Salras, and from there we will head for our
Danube
metro station, and from there we are having our skydive journey. Let's see. Please.
You're more excited.
Nazano.
But I don't know what like a time to go ki hobo. I don't know. Basi ahu na ho.
Please.
Vlog last ta dekhibo. Jodi ahu vlog continue hobo.
Okay. Bye bye. See you till then.
Yeah. Eto Alras metro station like 4 minute na lagile 2 minute man lagile na just
2 minute no hoy sage 1 minute ta hibo.
Yeah. So yapa jao like etue je jodi apunaloke hotel book kore etu sabo first like usort metro station ase na karon cabot bahut beshi taka jay
बचत में रहने के लिए नो
yes
पैसा बचाने के लिए
তো এতিয়া আমি ইয়াত মেট্ৰো ষ্টেচন আহিলো সো আমি এতিয়া ইউনিয়নলৈকে যাব লাগিব তাত ইউনিয়ন যাব লাগিব তাৰ পাছত আমি আকৌ ৰেড লাইন চেঞ্জ কৰি লাইক ডুবাই সিটি সেন্টাৰ ওকে देयर आर सिटी सेंटर्स सॉरी we are here I don't know what is going to happen
oh god I don't know to
কৰিব লগা হৈছে লায়াবিলিটি এগ্ৰিমেন্ট কৰিব লগা হৈছে যে মৰিলে কোনো ৰিস্ক নাই কৰ yes
please don't show me yaar
মৰিলে কোনো ৰিস্ক নাই so we have signed it agreement anxiety level like enaka up down
ভালো লাগি আছে ভয়ও লাগি
mahol is hectic
so much hectic
yes
हंस रहे हैं ऊपर से लेकिन अंदर से क्या हो रहा है वो किसी को नहीं पता
हंस तो तुम भी रही हो जानी so we got our pants buzzard is it
everyone is scared
getting scared
so we can buzz and
she is waiting like a pro like a skydiver सबरे एटाई कथा मेरी फट रही है literally like everyone ভাল লাগিছে সবৰ সাহস দেখি everyone here is like সাহসী হেতুৱে কম it is hard
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
ready for the flight
We're doing it so serious.
more time I gone I have to go bye
Perfect. Do you have any messages you want to say to any friends watching the video?
guys mo goya so just wish me luck and I'm just hoping everything will be fine yeah thank you
Perfect. Are you ready?
yeah so
Let's go.
okay
over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step.
You just jumped out of an aeroplane?
yes
What was your favorite part?
so the drop fall yeah so
Like it?
nice
Would you
Video?
would you do it again?
yeah surely
Awesome. Thank you so much for skydiving with us.
sorry, মোৰ মাথা ঘূৰাইছে ৰ একচেণ্ড।
We
Did it.
did it. So skydive কৰি হৈ গ'ল, এতিয়া আমি যাওঁ। এতিয়া আজি প্লেন হৈছে বিচ যোৱাৰ। চাওঁ বিচ কোনখন ভাল হ'ব ন। Let's take a taxi.
So finally we have reached the place. We're heading towards ticketing and all. Yeah, it's too cold.
ওই ইমান ঠাণ্ডা।
I told you to wear something warm.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to
পাকিস্তান যাওঁ। চাওঁ কি আছে। Yeah. See? So good. Pakistan chai আৰু like samosa খাই চাওঁ কেনেকুৱা। How was the samosa?
Too good. Like it was something different from Indian samosas.
Yeah.
The mashed potato was very different, and that chai was oh god, it was superb. It was
অলপ বেলেগ আছিলে মানে taste টো।
yeah, it was like the flavor of the tea is amazing.
So we have came to like UAE. ঠাণ্ডা বস্তুবোৰ বেছি। Just you want a perfume?
It's not perfume, it's mithai.
Huh? What?
They will give us try to this. What is this?
What is this?
Take a smell of it. Take a smell of it.
So ইয়াত ইমানেই ফুড হাব আছে লাইক চব যোনবিলাক ফুড ব্লগাৰ হয় সিহঁতে যদি ইয়ালৈ আহে বহুত ভাল পাব লাইক
Like every kind of food of every country is here.
বেছিকৈ সেইটো বেছিকৈ আছে ফুড বস্তুটো বেছিকৈ আছে আৰু এনেকুৱা হয়
Like me. Like they can
I am not a foodie but you know like minimum amount of চব খাই দিব পাৰিম
what is this? This is foodie only.
yeah
But this place is something called like okay, everything's unit is here, so you can enjoy
Yeah.
the view of every country's
so
tradition.
content পাব
Content, yeah, good
content
content.
পাব
Yeah.
سحلب سحلب يا سبيدي الشامل احنا بلادنا يا نورا سحلب الصورة يا مغرب.
So I don't know what is this but let me taste it মিঠা
বৰ বেছি
বহুত বেছি BTS lovers come here এইটো আমেৰিকা লাইক সেইটো ইউৰোপ আৰু ক'ত ৰাছিয়া
that corner.
Okay, this is Russia
That was Africa.
and this is Africa.
This side for Africa.
এই বস্তুটো পাবজিত খেলিছিলি নে পিন্ধি পেলাই লাইক এই বুশখিনি তলত যে লুকাব লাগে এইটো পিন্ধিয়ে অ'কে পাবজি লাভাৰ্ছে গম পাব এইটো কি হয় দিছ ইজ আমেৰিকা
Dress up.
ভাল লাগিছে ইয়াৰ ড্ৰেছেছবিলাক লাইক ৱেষ্টাৰ্ণ হয় ন চ'
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can
okay that is India
पराए देशों के बीच में अपना देश देख के जो खुशी मिलता है ना वो भाई वो
গোটেইবিলাকতকৈ
सबके डाঙर
Oh my god, it's so huge. সব কান্ট্রি চালো এতিয়া ইণ্ডিয়াত কি আছে সব চাওঁ আহক